Corned beef brisket. A main dish from Ireland. Serves 8. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Bring to boil and simmer for 2.5 hours. Do this the day before so the brisket will meld with the flavors for a day. Save the water in garni bag. Step 2. Always keep brisket in the cooked liquid, that is the secret of the tasty meat. Put carrots and potatoes in smaller pots and ladle liquid into them to cook them. Put cabbage cut in fourths into pot with brisket. Step 3. This meat will keep a week in the refrigerator in sauce by mixing and serving as a side to the meat. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.